What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is C-Beer, and today for you guys I have a sneaker unboxing, and the shoe that we'll be unboxing is a recent release from this past weekend that you guys might know of and you guys might recognize as soon as I open the box. But before we get into that unboxing, I want to make sure you guys hit the subscribe button to get more content, whether it's sneaker related content or Supreme related, and as well as hit the notification bell to receive updates on whenever I post videos and stuff. But with that being said, let's get right into the sneaker unboxing. Into the box itself, as you guys can tell, the recent pickup I did purchase from Hibbett Sports, as you see their logo on the box. And the shoe that's actually in this box was actually fairly easy to get. I did wake up 15 minutes for the release, but luckily I was able to go on other websites just like Hibbett Sports, and they were still actually sitting on that site for a little while and be able to easily purchase them. But with that being said, get the shoe inside the box. As you guys can tell, you see a black and gold Air Jordan box, and that basically already gives you an idea of what the shoe might be inside. You can see on the sizing tag we have a size 11 right here. The color code label reads black metallic gold black. And opening up the box, we have the Air Jordan Retro 6 DMP, and this is a shoe that I've been waiting on for a few months now. If you guys don't know, the shoe was like originally supposed to release in January, but it kept on getting postponed and just dates were being changed all over the place for this release. But they finally came out on April 18th, and I'm just really glad to have the shoe. Just looking at it itself, the craftsmanship does look pretty clean in my opinion. No glue stains or anything too ridiculous whatsoever. I know Jordan brand might have like some quality control issues, but overall just a fairly clean shoe, black and gold all throughout it. I won't really get too much into the specifics of it. I'll save that for the on feet review whenever I do that in a few days. But again, you guys see we have our little hang tag that's like a dog tag inspired. It does read Air Jordan 6 June 12, 1991 defining moment, which is Michael Jordan's first championship that he won. And that's pretty much what I have for you guys today. Like I said before, I'm going to do a review on this in the next few days just to get into more of the specifics of the sneaker, as well as provide you guys an on feet. I just want to do an unboxing just to show off my recent purchase. Please make sure to comment on this video and let me know if you guys did purchase the DMP 6s or if you plan on purchasing them. And also like this video as well. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the notification bell so I get more notifications on when I post more videos such as Supreme content or more unboxings. And also follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mayan. And I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Peace.
She got a move with a friend. Her she went back to a man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the cold wild where it's going in.